Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a donation page with PayPal in just 5 minutes. Creating a donation page can be an invaluable tool for raising funds, whether it's for a charitable cause, a personal project, or just about anything you might need support for. PayPal provides an efficient and user-friendly way to facilitate donations, making the process seamless for both you and your supporters. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the PayPal homepage. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser. Type paypal.com into the address bar and hit Enter. Once the page has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the Login button. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address and password. After filling in your credentials, click Login to access your PayPal account dashboard. Once logged in, look for the Pay and Get Paid section in the navigation menu, usually located at the top of the page. Clicking on this section will open up several options. Now, under Accept Payments, find and click on Create Payment Links and Buttons. This is where the magic happens for creating donation buttons. From there, select Payment Buttons, which will take you to the customization screen. Here, you're going to add a name and a description for your donation button. It's helpful to choose a name and description that clearly indicate the purpose of your fundraiser or the cause you're supporting. This gives potential donors clarity and confidence. Next, you'll have the option to customize the button's appearance. You can select a graphic from PayPal's options or upload your own custom design if you want something a bit more unique or in line with your brand. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your donation page. After customizing the look of your button, set the price option to Customer Set Price. This allows donors the flexibility to contribute any amount they feel comfortable with. Now, choose the type of button. Since we're making a donation page, select Single Button and then click on Custom to tailor it to your needs. Type in a label for the button. Something simple like Donate works perfectly. Once you're happy with all the customizations, click on Build It. PayPal will now generate the HTML code for your button. This code is essential. It's what integrates the donation feature into your website or blog. Simply copy the HTML code provided, then access your website's HTML editor or your blog's content editor and paste the code where you want the donation button to appear. Save your changes and voila! Your PayPal donation button is live and ready to receive contributions. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a PayPal donation page, opening up a world of possibilities for raising funds. Thanks for tuning in, and happy fundraising!